Locked out of your drive by BitLocker and don't know the recovery key? Don't panic. If your PC is linked to a Microsoft account, you can pull the key from the cloud. I'll show you how in under 2 minutes. Important. Only use this on drives you own or are authorized to access. Trying to bypass BitLocker on someone else's device is illegal. Open your browser and go to google.com. Search for Microsoft account. Click My Account. Make sure you sign in with the same Microsoft account that's linked to your PC. That's crucial. Go ahead, enter your password. In the Microsoft account dashboard, go to Devices. Click Info and Support. Then click Manage Recovery Keys. This shows the recovery keys associated with your device. Next, you need to find the key ID of your locked partition or device. For that, double-click the partition. Click More Options. Click Enter Recovery Key. In here you can find the key ID, note down it and go back to Microsoft page. In here you can see your recovery keys and key IDs. Go ahead and copy the recovery key shown on the page. It's a long numeric string. Back on your PC, go to the locked drive. Choose More Options. Click Enter Recovery Key. Paste the key, then click Unlock. And that's it. Your BitLocker drive should now be unlocked and accessible. If it doesn't work, double check you used the same Microsoft account and the exact recovery key. If the recovery key isn't in your Microsoft account, try any other Microsoft accounts you own. If you still can't find it, professional data recovery may be needed. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick PC fixes.